This is a 5-minute meditation that's going to heal your inner child. Whenever you're ready, feel free to lower your gaze. Inhale through your nose. Exhale and sigh. Inhale through your nose. Exhale and sigh. Once more. Inhale. Relax your body as you exhale. Inhale. Relax your body as you exhale. Inhale. Relax your body even further. Visually imagine your childhood home. See yourself in that home. What are 5 things that you can see? Allow yourself to see those 5 things now. Notice the colors, the textures in your home, what's on the wall, what do the floors look like. See yourself exploring. What can you touch in your childhood home? See yourself touching that now. What can you hear in your childhood home? Can you hear the sound of your breath? Can you hear people in the background? What can you smell? Smell that now. What can you taste? Taste that now. In your childhood home, go to a room or an area where you used to spend the most amount of time. And in this space, I want you to see your younger self. As you greet your younger self, give your younger self a big hug, a big embrace. Hold your younger self close. Inhale and exhale with your younger self. What were some words of encouragement that you wish you heard when you were a child? Share those words of affirmation with yourself now. What is something that you have going on in your life currently that your younger self would be proud of? Share an update with your younger self now. What is an affirmation that you needed back then? I am enough. I am lovable. I am confident. I have what it takes. It's okay to fail. Their words aren't true. Say that affirmation with your younger self now, mentally chanting that affirmation in your mind. Breathing with your younger self. Letting your younger self know they are safe and that it's okay. Feel free to slowly take any stretch that feels right to you. Stretching your neck, your toes, your fingers, your shoulders. The past serves 2 purposes: to learn from and to heal. Whenever you're ready, feel free to slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining today's practice. As I mentioned, the past serves 2 purposes, either to learn from or to heal from. In the comments below, I'd love to hear what your experience was. I'd love to hear if there's other videos or meditation videos that you could use that would be helpful in your life. If you're looking for a deeper practice, feel free to join us on Skool, We meditate live 2 times a week. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, thank you and take care.